Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. If summer has just begun in your country and wanna beat the heat, then I present to you 4 refreshing summer drinks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. In a pan, add water and sugar. Stir the sugar until it is well dissolved. Bring it to a boil on a high flame and then keep it for another 5 minutes on a medium flame. Check out the description box below for quantities of this recipe. Also, I have added links to my other videos and links of most of the items used in this video. You can keep the sugar syrup in the refrigerator up to 15 days. The sugar syrup is ready. Allow the sugar syrup to cool before use. Cut the watermelon in small cubes and add it to a blender and blend it. Strain the watermelon into a jar. Cut a lemon, squeeze the lemon juice. Add in the sugar syrup, add the watermelon juice and the ice cube. Garnish it with a lemon slice, a mint leaf, and the watermelon juice is ready. Wash, clean and cut the strawberries. Add ice cubes, add the cut strawberries in the blender. In a serving jar, squeeze lemon juice, add sugar syrup, add the blended strawberries, add water. And garnish it with a lemon slice, mint and a strawberry. The strawberry juice is ready. In a glass, add 7 mint leaves. You can adjust the mint leaf as per your taste. Crush it. You may use lemon wedges as well, but I am using lemon juice instead. Add the sugar syrup. In a blender, add ice cubes and blueberries and blend it. Add the iced berries in the glass, add water. Garnish it with a lemon slice and berries. And the blueberry mojito is ready. Here I have diced pineapple, piece of ginger, water, sugar syrup and some mint leaves. Add the pineapple, ginger and water in a blender and blend it. Cut a lime and squeeze it in a jar. Add the sugar syrup. Strain the pineapple and add it to a jar. To serve, add ice cubes, add the pineapple juice and garnish it with mint leaf and a pineapple wedge. The ginger pineapple drink is ready. Add in lemon wedges, add orange segments, make sure there are no seeds, and crush it well so that the lime and segment release their juices. Add in the sugar syrup. You may also use sugar as per your taste if you're not using sugar syrup. Add the crushed ice and fill the jar with orange juice. You may use canned or fresh orange juice. Finally, garnish it with mint, lime, and the orange mojito is ready. Thank you for watching. See ya until my next video. Amor amor.